Craving some mouth-watering vegetarian main dishes? Look no further, because today we're diving headfirst into the gastronomic delights of plant-based cuisine. We're going to explore 3 tantalizing recipes that will have even the most dedicated meat eaters salivating. Vegetarian main dishes are not just a feast for the eyes, but also for the palate. They're brimming with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, a nutritional powerhouse. Their versatility is another feather in their cap. With a little imagination, the possibilities are endless. From an environmental and economic perspective, they're a real boon. So, if you're ready to embark on a culinary adventure, vegetarian main dishes are your ticket. Kicking things off is a perennial favorite: stuffed bell peppers. These vibrant vessels are chock full of quinoa, black beans, corn, and a medley of spices. They're then crowned with a layer of melted cheese, creating a divine harmony of flavors. Not only are they hearty and nutritious, but they're also an excellent canvas to unleash your creativity. Next, we're whisking you away to the world of creamy, comforting pasta with a mushroom stroganoff. This dish is an ensemble of mushrooms, onions, garlic, all bathed in a rich, velvety sauce. It's a gastronomic delight that can be whipped up in a mere 30 minutes, ideal for a cozy night in or when you have guests to impress. Lastly, we present a dish that's a feast for the eyes: a roasted vegetable tart. This culinary work of art boasts a flaky puff pastry base adorned with an array of roasted veggies like zucchini, cherry tomatoes, bell peppers, and eggplant. A drizzle of tangy, balsamic glaze is the finishing touch on this masterpiece, making it a perfect choice for any meal. So there you have it. 3 sensational vegetarian main dishes that are sure to be a hit. Whether you're a seasoned vegetarian or a newbie to the plant-based world, these recipes are bound to impress. Time to don that apron and get cooking. And before you dash off, remember to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment letting us know which recipe has caught your fancy. Until next time, happy cooking!